Hello everybody, my name is Mimi. Today I'll tell you a story, Bear's Big Ideas. Bear's tummy is growling. Bear is hungry. He's hungry for fish. Bear calls his friends with a big idea. Bear brings a saw. Buck grabs a hammer. Moose carries some wood. Zzz. Bear saws the wood. Buck hammers the frame. Shh. Moose sands it smooth. The work is done. It is a boat. Now we can fish, says Bear. Bear finds the fishing poles. Buck gets a net. Moose digs for worms. The boat floats. Off we go, said Bear with a great big push. Moose catches a fish. Bear hooks an old boot. Buck catches a fish. Bear hooks an old tire. I do not want a boot. I do not want a tire. I want a fish, growls Bear. Poor hungry Bear, says Buck. Keep trying, Bear, said Moose. Bear catches his line again. He has a bite. He tugs, he pulls. At last, Bear catches a big fish. The friends fish all summer. Bear gets fat. Before long, Bear is ready for a nap. Bear's tummy is growling. Bear wakes up. He calls his friend. Time to fish again. Buck brings the boat. Moose gets the gears. The water turns to ice. Look, said Bear, the boat will not go. Bear slips, Buck flips, Moose flops. Bear has a new idea. The friends go to work. Zzz, shh, shh, shh. The work is done. The ice shanty. It will keep us warm while we fish, says Bear. The friends cut holes in the ice. They drop in their lines. Moose catches a big fish. Buck catches a bigger fish. Bear catches the biggest fish of all. Bear has a full tummy again. It is time to go home. Good night, Bear. See you in the spring. Bye, everybody.